families. Welcome to Ray Rice Families.
Today, Rylan is going to be opening up some new toys, and he's so excited and he cannot wait. Are you excited to see what you have, man? So the first toy that we're going to be opening is this little rattle and roll car. So his very first race car is what we're going to be opening first. You ready? We are getting your race car ready. Are you excited about your very first race car? Alright. So this is your race car. Do you like it? Look. Is that cool or what? This is Rylan with his very first race car. Look. Is that you and your race car? Look, Ryan, it's coming towards you. Ooh, that goes pretty far. So this is actually a pretty neat little race car here. It goes pretty fast. He can grab these little circles when it's time for him to start really grabbing and grasping onto objects. It has the little rattles and the tires there. So it's a really cool little race car there. I think this is perfect for a 3-month-old. He's trying to get to it. So you're trying. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the next toy, which is the mirror. So the next thing we're going to open up is the Bright Start Sit and See Safari Floor Mirror. Are you excited about that one? We like tummy time, so this should be a good addition to your tummy time. You think so? Bless you. Bless you. His baby gym that he's laying on right now that we kind of took apart there just to use the mat part has a little mirror, but I think the bigger mirror will probably be better for him. So let's see. Are you excited to open up your new mirror? You're just going to hold on to me? Okay. Alright, I have to open up your mirror, man. Can you let that go so I can open up the mirror? Yeah, can I have this back, please? Can I have that back? Thank you. So I think Rye is pretty excited about this mirror. He's going. You excited about the mirror, man? Alright, we have the mirror set up, and as you can see, Rylan is enjoying his mirror. And he's moving towards that mirror a little bit. Look, you're moving away from the mirror, man. Look. Whoa, who is that? Alright. Who is that in the mirror? You're moving away from the mirror. And he likes hearing this. Enjoying yourself, man? Look, you have moved completely away from your mirror. Where are you going? Are you leaving us? Alright, let's put you back on your belly. You seem a little tired now. Rylan really enjoys tummy time, but he does get tired of the mirror right here. He hasn't turned to it yet. And he has this race car there. Which one will you pick? Which one will you pick? Look, you can put your hand on this one. So he's trying to grab stuff. He's getting there. You have it and you don't even realize that you have it. Look, can you put your hand around there and try to grab that car? Look at the mirror. Look. Can you see yourself? Ooh. He's trying to grab it. You almost got it. Vroom, vroom. You're really getting into rattles. And this part is soft as well. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this part is soft. So you can see me doing it just like this. It's your very first race car. It's so very cute. Can you get that car? Did you get that car? Did you get it? Did you get that car? Hi, Ryan. What are you up to? Are you playing? You really like this race car. That is amazing. friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them bye. Say see you on our next video.